6.0, or we can call in India, we can call 0. Okay, US and other people, they can call O, ECC 6.0, EHP 6 or EHP 7. Here ECC is nothing but a enterprise central component. Enterprise central component. In SAP, there are so many databases are there. So many databases are. Under that, SAP ERP with the ECC is one server. This is one server. ECC server is one server. Like that, we have analytical servers are there. We have customer relationship management servers are there. Supply chain management servers are there. Okay? Supply chain management server. And sales relationship management servers are there. There are so many servers are there. To integrate, okay, from ECC, okay, ECC server to these servers, we can call that is enterprise central component. We can name it called enterprise central component. Okay, enterprise central. That diagram only I have written here. Okay, how to specify this one, enterprise central component. Okay, one second. Means to integrate any product, SAP related products, we are calling that is enterprise central component. Okay, through enterprise central component, we can here in SAP ABAP we are calling master data and transactional data. We have two types of data in SAP servers. Okay, two types of data. Here master data is nothing but it never changes the data. Master data is nothing but it never changes the data. Those data example is father name and mother name and name and father name, mother name, date of birth, any employees related name. Those data we can call master data. Here I have to give another point here. Transactional data means it keep on changes the data. It keep on changes the data. What is meaning of keep on changes the data? Which data it will change? Employees related data. Okay, employee related salary information data, it will change salary related information data, or employee related bank related bank information. Okay, bank related information, GL accounts, general ledger related accounts data, it will change. Okay, GL, general ledger accounts data, GL accounts data. Means this type of data we are calling transactional. Transactional means okay, always it will change the data. Yeah, always it will change. That particular data we can call transaction data. Means we can send this type of data from ECC server to that ABAP server to CRM server. That particular component we can call enterprise central component. Okay, enterprise central component. We can always use for this is transactional and master. This other servers are for analytical purpose. Okay, data like create like data usage, like different customer relationship purposes, they can use it, these servers. That server we are calling ECC, enterprise central component. And coming to EHP is nothing but an enhancement package. Under enhancement package, okay, like any old version is like example EHP 5. From EHP 5 in EHP 5 server, if there are some issues are there, like issues, those issues solved by SAP labs only, they will create the new package EHP 6 and they will release it to market. Those issues they will solve, plus they will add some more functionality, like new functionality they will add it, and those functionality and solve issues. Okay, whatever the issues are solved, those issues everything they will be solved here, and they will release new product, that product name called EHP 6. Like that version to version change we can call that is EHP, means enhancement packages. Okay, every 6 months, every one, okay, like it depends upon the packages. Okay, they will release it into the market based on that. Okay, every 6 months or every 1 year, okay, they will release the packages. That we can call enhancement package. Now another question I am going to discuss here, that point only I am going to discuss here. What is system application products? What is SAP? Okay, what are the why we have to use only SAP? Why can't we use some other products? Means that points I am going to give here. Okay, SAP is a global product. It is easy to integrate with any other third-party products, and SAP is a country-wise payroll programs are developed. My means if you see in SAP, country-wise payrolls, payroll programs are developed. Country-wise payroll programs are developed by SAP. Developed by SAP. This is a major advantage for SAP. If you see Oracle and PeopleSoft and Workday related applications, these many like country-wise payrolls. The country-wise payrolls is not existed. If you want, I'll show that country-wise payroll. What is meaning of payroll? Okay, here if you log into the SAP logon, SAP logon. Okay, click on logon. Is a username. This is a front end screen. Today I will discuss about front end, all this information. Just let me enter here. So here you have human resources. If you open human resources, if you open payroll, see region wise they developed country payrolls. Country payroll means under Europe, what are the countries are there? For all countries here, Ukraine, Austria, Belgium, Denmark, Germany, Finland, France, Hungary, for all countries. Okay, almost 30 plus countries are there. Okay, here only. For America, that is another country grouping. And Asia, okay, we have India, China, Japan, Korea, okay, New Zealand, all are there under Saudi Arabia, okay, Thailand, South Africa, international payroll. If you see here, almost for all these countries, SAP is already released, okay, predefined products. Okay, predefined. There's no need to go, no need to design any. Okay, no need to design any payroll programs. Payroll programs. SAP is delivered. Just use as per your country, as per your company requirement. Like example, okay, for India payslip they already developed here. India payslip. If I run this India payslip here, that name called we can call remuneration statement. This is one code PC00 underscore M40 underscore CEDT. This is a transaction code. Same code we can use it here also. PC00 underscore M40 underscore CEDT. If you enter this code, then directly it will display the pay slip. So here, India remuneration statement. Here for which employee you are going to run, okay, the data you have to enter. Which payroll area, which number. This screen is designed by SAP. This screen is designed by SAP. As a developer, we can develop this type of screens. As a web developer, we can develop this type of. But functional people, what they will do? They will configure this data. Like example, if you want to select here some data, okay, if you browse here, data will come. Is it monthly payroll, or is it weekly payroll, or is it semi-monthly payroll? Is it 14 days payroll? Okay, there are concepts. There different concepts are. So which one you are using? That is we are calling NA. NA is nothing but a monthly payroll. Okay, monthly payroll. Which employee you are going to run? Okay, employee number we have to enter. Once if I execute here, I did not design any form here. Okay, by default, pay slip is generated for one candidate. Okay, one candidate. Vishwanathan Sri is the name. Okay, for this candidate, it is pay slip is generated. I need for 10 employees data. I have to generate it for all 10 employees related payroll. I can generate for that. As a developer, we will create one selection screen. We can call multiple selection. We will write code. We will write the code and we will generate it. Once we will generate it and deliver to the users, user will get this type of screen. Okay, he wants to generate 10 employees payslip. You can select the multiple selection. Under that range is there, like 40,000. 40,001 is the employee. 40,010 is the employee numbers range. If you execute it, then all 10 employees payroll will be generated in sequence. Okay, take sequence. There is no need to enter any here. This is a 40,001 employee. Now I will go page down. Page down. So here 40,002 employee Parameshwaran K. This is another page. This is another page. Next page down. Okay, third employee 40,003. Okay, Nair Manjusha. Like that, you can develop 1 lakh employees pay slips also. You can develop in a single sequence. Here cursor is here only still. Okay, cursor. All 1 lakh employees or 4 lakhs employees payroll also you can generate by using this type of pay slip programs, this type of pay slip program or payroll programs. That only I have written here. Payroll programs means country wise payroll programs are developed by SAP. Those programs only we are calling standard programs. Okay, standard payroll programs. Okay, but your client needs he wants his own design. Okay, his own design. His own design means we don't want to display the data like it plain sheet like this. Okay, he need his logo, separate logo, his company related information, and down his company related phone number and fax number, all the details they require, and we will design that type of forms as a ABAP. That only we are calling, this is we can call smart form. These type of forms we will learn in ABAP. But functional consultant side, HCM consultant, these people, okay, just we will configure the basic salary. We will configure the house rent allowances. We will configure the conveyance allowances. We will configure the education allowance. This configuration we can call functionality. Here we have two types of programs are the mainly two types of consultant in the industry mainly. One is technical consultant, another one is functional consultant. What exactly technical consultant will do means technical consultant will design, ABAP will design this type of screens. That is we can call screen design or parameter design or select options design we can call. Then what exactly the role of functionality means? Configuration of SAP system. Configure means here what data should be appear for users. Okay, which data? Is it monthly data, monthly payroll, or is it weekly payroll? Okay, those type of data configuration done by functionality. Functionality, there is no coding. There is no need to write any code. Functional side, HR side. Okay, with as ABAP, we will write the code. It's related to screens designing. It means how by using some SQL commands by using this ABAP coding. That point only I have written. I mean, it is a global product. Okay, it is integrated with the third-party products. What is meaning of third-party product? What is meaning of integration here? Okay, example. Now I have the data. Okay, now I have the data in an Excel sheet. Okay, I have the Excel sheet or text data. Okay, text data or any server or SAP server only This is also SAP server. This is mainly SAP server. Target server is SAP server. Then this is target server we can call target server. Okay, this is all source. Source means where exactly your data source system we can call. Okay, integration means transferring this data Excel data or text data or any Oracle server data or any another data from transferring this data to target server system data we are calling integration. Okay, we are calling the integration. This type of integration, there is no need to design separate integration tools. Okay, in SAP itself we have some settings are there using RFC setting. Those settings we can do by using this particular integration. That concept only we can call either RFC or we can call ALE IDOC. There are so many concepts are there in this. Okay, or BDC, batch data conversion. So these all concepts I will cover in this in coming sessions. Maybe these concepts will be last classes. Okay, I will cover those concepts later. Okay, later ALE IDOC. That is only that point. Integration is possible. Integration is nothing but connecting from one server to the other server or transferring from one database data to the SAP database. We can call integration. Okay, integration. Okay, that integration only you can call inbound integration, outbound integration. There are different types are there. Okay, I will discuss those points later. Okay, maybe because you are new to those points. If I discuss also, maybe it will be very new to the out of your scope now. So that's what I will give you later in class. Okay, in class, separate class. But now for explanation purpose, why SAP only you have to use means I am giving those points. Now country wise tax programs are developed by SAP. Tax programs are developed by SAP. Okay, developed by SAP. okay, developed by SAP. This is also one more advantage. Okay, one more advantage. Why? Country-wise development means tax programs are very critical programs in okay, any ERP. Okay, that's why they created those particular country-wise tax programs also. If they want to use SAP tax programs, they can use it, or otherwise they can use it. Okay, some ADP is the one. Okay, in US they can use it, ADP payroll or ADP integration tools. They can use it, ADP integration, or we can call okay, BSI tub, okay, integration tools, okay, integration. If they want, okay, integration tools also they can use it for US related projects. Okay, these are all the third party integrators. Okay, their work is only integrating, okay, sending from SAP data to ADP, and ADP people will calculate the taxes. Then they will send this one. If they want to go for the third party integration, otherwise SAP only deliver those particular tax programs. Okay, we can use it those programs. That depends upon the client. Okay, client. In India, compulsory will use it. All country-wise tax programs compulsory in SAP itself. Okay, SAP. There is no need to go for the third-party integrations. Next, next. This is one more very important point. It's a country-wise. Okay, country-wise payroll and country-wise programs are developed. Country-wise programs means for India they developed one code is called 40 country-wise programs. For US, okay, for Germany, because the Germany own people only develop, that's why they develop the country code is okay, 01. For US country code is 10. For UK country code is 08. For Australia country code is 13. Like while working with some, like as ABAPer, you have to work like in SAP HCM technical already also. SAP HCM technical. In that SAP HCM, okay, or HR, we have payrolls are there. Okay, payroll programs are there. Payroll programs, technical programs. While working that in that particular payroll programs, you have to know for which country you are working. Okay, which country you are. If you are working for the India, we have to configure that is a 40 is the India grouping. Okay, 40 is nothing but a country code for India. If you are working for the US, 10 we have to use it. Excuse me, 10. If you are working for Australia, we have to use country code is 13. Without this country code, let me show once again. I will show that same payslip. You can see here payslip. You can see the 40 PC00 underscore M40. Okay, this is a payroll program. If I open same for okay, same program for USA, 10 it will show here. Same program name is same as it is. You can observe now. PC00 underscore PC00 underscore M10 for M10 M40 CEDT means programs are same as it is, but only code is different. If you run this code, same input only it will ask. Same. That is for US related. If I run this one India, same, sorry, exit I clicked. You click on the remuneration statement, same program. If you work for the US or UK, Australia, any country, Australia, just to go to only country code is different. Here 10 is there. For Australia, it will show 13. 13 pay slip. Okay, this remuneration statement we are calling pay slip. That is the code. Means if you enter here instead of 10, instead of 40, okay, instead of 40, if you enter 10, that is for US pay slip. Okay, that is for US pay slip. You can see here, US pay slip. Like that for each country wise, development purpose, SAP they have given a separate country code, and we will configure the country code wise only data. Okay, that is configured by HR. Okay, that country code wise data only. For if you work for the only India, okay, only Indian payroll programs we can work out. Okay, it won't show for the UK payroll. Okay, it won't show for the any other payrolls. Okay, only country wise settings wise we can configure this particular SAP system. These are all the major advantage of this particular product. Still I can give so many, but major points for integration and country wise payroll programs and country wise programs we can develop, and country wise settings we can configure it, and third party integration is possible in this SAP. It is a global product. It is a global product. This is about the SAP related information about systems, applications, and products in data processing. Okay, in data processing. Any doubts here? This master data and transaction related data in information in coming sessions in ABAP will start with the SC11 concept. Maybe if possible, tomorrow not possible. Tomorrow I have to give the display related options. Monday, okay, Monday class. Okay, we will create our own customization tables. Okay, that time you will understand the what is clear understanding. What is master data? What is transaction data? One more data is the organization data. This type of definitions I will give in the classroom only. Okay, that time still you can understand clearly. But today, for understanding purpose, what is here I have written here. Understanding I have written here master and transaction data. Means the same concept it will come master data and transaction data so many times. Okay, I will discuss in that particular topics also the same master data and but this master data is one entry question. Transaction data is one entry question here. Okay, main points. What is ECC is one entry question, and ECC and EHP or otherwise which server, and why SAP we have to use it. Okay, why only SAP we can go for some other. Okay, that is also one entry question. All these points, and for HCM people, okay, this is for HCM people. Okay, what is the country coding for India? What is the country coding for Germany? What is the country coding for the US? Do you have the India payroll knowledge, or do you have the US payroll knowledge, or do you have the UK payroll knowledge? Like that interview question they will ask. Okay, very important questions. Without this question, there is no payroll questions itself. Okay, payroll. Okay, almost 5 to 6 questions are there here only. Okay, then what is enhancement package they will ask. Why we have to go for enhancing this application means solving the issues and adding new functionality to the SAP database. Okay, that we should go for the enhancement related options. Okay, enhancement related options. Okay, this is about the just basic concept about SAP and EHP related servers and about about this particular points. Okay, now I am going to start with the what is the technical modules, what is functionality modules. If you have any doubt, I will clarify it here. Okay. Satish, Praveen, Amit.
No doubts.
Okay.
No, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Banu.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to explain what is technical module, what is functional module, okay, what is administration modules. Okay, these concepts I am going to discuss now. That name called okay, SAP modules we can call. This is the heading is SAP modules. Under SAP modules we have technical modules are there, technical modules. Okay. Under that we have functional modules are there, functional modules are there. Some modules we have techno-functional modules are there, techno-functional. These consultants are okay, very demand only because if you start your career ABAP side, then you will be the techno-functional side. Why means you can easily migrate to the functional side. Means if you start your career functional side, because functional people most of the time MBA student, okay, MBA students are like BBA students. These people are they will do the functionality related things. Why means functional people they don't have the background okay, like C knowledge like some other okay like coding related knowledge they will choose this functionality means first let me discuss what is technical is nothing but a programming the programming Pro- the program here which programs any basic language if you know how to write the basic language okay, that is more than enough even if you don't know practice is very important in ABAP okay, practice even if you don't know anything okay anything you have to practice daily this ABAP then only you will get some knowledge in programming but functionality is nothing but a configuration okay, configuration what is meaning of configuration okay if you want to create some okay company related information company names okay, company related or particular head of department informations okay and positions hiring okay promotion okay, this type of okay termination these type of actions creations all done by functionality people. This is related to HR I am talking about. If it is MM, how to generate the purchase orders, how to generate the purchase requisitions, how to generate the request for quotations. Like these are all concepts are there in configuration. Configuration means no coding. Okay, no coding. Okay, this is a major first difference in the program. Now under technical side, there are so many are there, so many modules are there. Now I am going to write all the module names. Okay, if you want, you can note it down those modules. Under that, first is ABAP module. Okay, ABAP module. Okay, this is advanced business application programming interface. Okay, interface. Okay, advanced business application programming interface. This is the acronym for the ABAP. This is it means whatever course you are learning ABAP people, this name only. This is only ABAP. Okay, interface. What you will do means in this one separately we have concepts are there. There are so many concepts are there like tables, joins, like views, structure creation, adding structures, enhancements. Like how to create the help, how to create the basic program, how to create the reusable programs, how to design the screen programs, how to create the ABAP basic ABAP reports, how to create the forms. These all programs you will learn it. That is separate points. I will give you. I will discuss in depth about ABAP. Okay, next, let me discuss basis. This is a okay, basis is a sorry. Okay, basis. This is these people are like nothing but administrators. Okay, admin people. Okay, administration. Okay, administration. Here administration is nothing but our SAP installations, SAP installations, SAP password reset. Okay, SAP patches like upgrading, like nothing but a upgrading, EHP version to upgrade. Okay, like any like the request to transportation, say transportation, transport. These all done by SAP related all admin work done by basis consultant. Yeah, admin done by basis. These all points I'm why I'm giving means because in a team we have different types of consultants are there. Okay, means if you want to show some experience related or at least as a means 1 year or one some particular experience, 2 years or 3 years experience, you have to know okay, what exactly in your team size. Means if they will ask particular team size, okay, under that what role you are working, okay, which role you are working, ABAP role you will tell. Means how many members you are coordinating. Okay, you will tell basis. What basis people will do? If you don't have idea, okay, then they will catch you. Okay, in interview session, they will catch you. Means what is the role of basis means. Okay, that's what I'm giving some important info. Okay, some points about the okay basis. Some points about XI. Okay, what type of consultants are there in total? Okay, in SAP. That all points I'm going to explain here. Those modules only. These are all the modules. Okay, basis is nothing but the main purpose of basis consultant are the monitoring SAP systems. If performance is low, like example, now I entered here, okay, I entered here one pay slip here. Okay, that this is a pay slip. Now I'm going to click here this pay slip. Then it is running so much time. Means maybe some okay, it is awkward with memory that it won't run faster. Then we will inform to the basis team. They will check that particular any buffer is occupied with full data or everything. They will monitor it and they will solve that issues. Those are done by only basis consultant. Okay, basis consultant. Like that, we have so many modules are there. Technical modules only I am talking about now. EP. EP is enterprise portal. Okay, enterprise okay, portal. Enterprise portal. So let me discuss all the another three modules are there. I'll write it first. EP, XI, Exchange Infrastructure. Exchange Infra structure. PI, Process Integration. Okay, these three modules are for integration purpose. Okay, these three modules are for okay, integrating like SAP application to Okay, web applications, SAP applications to like this type of application. If you want to use it, web applications, we can use this particular EP means portal links. Okay, portal links like HTTP links, HTTP. Okay, high links. Those links are designed by these people in SAP. Okay, it's like almost look like a Java related coding only, but this is all okay, same like advanced administration we can call. Okay, this is SAP admin, this is advanced administration. Okay, like that we have three modules are there for integration purpose. These are all for integration purpose, like that. Next, okay, workflow. Okay, another module. Okay, workflow. Workflow means if you observe in industry, I think okay, Satish is working, Praveen also is working. If I observe in industry, okay, if you want to apply leave, like example, leave application, you can take it. Leave application. How you will apply leave? Means you have to select some particular leave application. Once if you send that leave application to one, okay, from user side, your user. Your manager is sitting in somewhere in Kolkata or Pune or wherever. Okay, wherever. Like Pune is sitting in. Okay, your manager. Now you have to trigger your application, leave application from your side. That application will be triggered to your manager inbox. Okay, manager inbox. So this is we can call workflow. Okay, this is we can call workflow. Okay, workflow means sending user information data. Okay, the user like HR employees data to through internal mails, means to integrate from one user to other user related information. We can call workflow. Okay, not only leave application like purchase orders, purchase requisition. There are different types of workflows are there. So many workflows worldwide. We can use those workflows. This is separate model. Okay. For ABAP only can go for this workflow. Okay, next level if you want to go, but very less, okay, less openings for the workflow. Okay, very less consultant will be there in globally. Okay, workflow also. Okay, workflow. That's all. Next, okay, next. Okay, Web Dyn Pro. Okay, Web Dyn Pro. This Web Dyn Pro is okay advanced for, means if you want to go for okay after ABAP, then you can choose the WebDyn Pro application. Okay, WebDyn Pro. Like this is same like okay, same like web link creation. Okay, web link creation. Okay, web link creation. Okay, it's a WebDyn Pro. But if you learn the ABAP, any course, it is possible. Any course is possible. Any course, like either technical side if you want, you can go. Either functional side if you want to go. Either administration side if you want to go. Either okay, like workflow related things you can go. Anything you can learn as a ABAP if you start your career. Okay, if you start your career. The functionality later I will discuss. Let me discuss some more point. The WebDyn Pro is nothing but a link related. The only screen program. See here only screens design. That's it. Only screen design. Okay, there is no other okay, programs related screen designs. Okay, majorly screen designing. Like same like VB. VB. Somebody know VB, then they will understand this concept. Okay, somebody VB. Designing the screens you can call. Okay, VB. Next. Okay, next. Then object oriented program. Oops. Okay, object oriented program. This is purely is related to okay like advanced okay advanced concept only, that is okay oops ABAP you can call oops. Okay, this is this point, this program also I can discuss okay, oops related programs also I can discuss in this course. Okay, ABAP course only you will understand that particular object oriented program. Next, O data is there. Okay, O data, this is the latest for okay for HANA integration. For HANA integration we are using okay, O data integration. O data. Okay, next for HANA integration. Next, HANA is the module. Okay, HANA is a latest database. Okay, latest database in SAP. Okay, latest database in SAP. Okay, HANA data. Okay, HANA latest database in SAP. Okay, that in the future model. This is a future model. HANA is the data. Even after ABAP, you can directly start with your career in HANA also. Okay, HANA also. But this is all. We won't log in like this type of page for HANA. Okay, for HANA, like we will log in like this. We will log in through Eclipse, the Eclipse platform. Like Java related people, they can understand Eclipse. Through Eclipse, we can integrate SAP database that we can call HANA. Okay, HANA. Okay, like that. There are okay, another modules are okay, S4 HANA technical modules only. That is only you can call S4 HANA. S4 HANA. Okay, technical. Okay, technical is nothing but this S4 HANA. Okay, ABAP coding. Okay, S4 HANA ABAP coding. Okay, this is means who are implementing this HANA database, we will write it for the code for them. That is we can call S4 HANA related. Okay, S4 HANA related. That only HANA people can go for the okay, S4 HANA related coding. Okay, coding. This is also designing the web links. Okay, designing the web links. Okay, designing. Okay, now HANA databases are very less. Okay, that's why there is no need to go for directly the S4 HANA. Okay, you have to understand the first ABAP, then HANA databases, then what is exactly S4 HANA applications, then only you can survive in this type of application. These are the latest databases. Okay, these are the latest databases. Still, okay, very less companies they are implementing this S4 HANA applications. That's why there is no that much demand for this particular application. But ABAP, 99% of the companies, like whatever companies are implemented SAP, for all companies they are using this SAP application. Okay, for this all companies. These are all technical models. Okay, these are all technical. Okay, one more is a theory model. FIO. All right, theory. This theory is nothing but like same HTML5. HTML5. So that HTML5 we are calling a theory application. But what is the need of this one means designing website like design SAP website. Okay, SAP websites. Okay, website means like web applications. Okay, web application we are using. Okay, application. These are all. Okay, you can call theory application. These are all. Okay, one second. One second. Okay. Here theory is nothing but a SAP HTML related. Sorry, theory is a SAP application only. SAP application only. Mainly HTML5 code. Okay, this is general. Okay, HTML normal. How HTML will write it the same code in SAP we will write it. Okay, that code we are calling theory. Okay, theory. For the okay, this theory application mainly for to design. Okay, to design HANA S4 HANA applications. Okay, S4 HANA applications. Next, these are all technical modules are there, like ABAP, Basis, EP, XIPA, Workflow, Webline Probes, OData, HANA, okay, Theory. These are all the technical related. For this all, at least some basic related coding, if you know, you can understand okay, easily. If you don't know, in classroom, I will give you step by step each and everything, like from database table creation onwards. How to generate the forms, all I will explain clearly, okay, each and every topic. The thing is day to day practice, day to day at least the same concept. Today if I complete the table, okay, example, today if I complete the table, same table you have to complete it by next class, then you will understand easily. Okay, navigation, like navigation means today class we will connect tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow for one more table, like how to join two tables, like primary key table and foreign key table, those are technical related things it will come. And each and every topic is connected to another topic also. I mean sometimes okay, it is not mandatory, at least some basic for first 10 to 15 classes are mandatory to understand okay, to understand the SAP ABAP application. These 10 to 15 classes if you understand frequently, okay, easy to understand the next classes. Okay, easy to understand. Okay, first basics you have to understand. What is database table? What is primary key? What is foreign key? How to use the where conditions? How to apply the screens, input selection screens? This type of all if you understand. Next, if it is very big program, if it is very big program or if it is very small program, way of writing code is same as it is. Okay, where you have to write it, how to write it, which code you have to use. That information, if you know, okay, you can easily copy paste only. It's like ABAP program also, you can use it copy paste only. But if you want to do copy paste program, first you have to understand what scenario you are working and what are the, okay, like screen design you have to work with. What exactly your client is asking. That particular information is very important. Anywhere Java people also, if you see your Java people, so many people are copy paste only they are doing for. If it is support project, okay, just they are doing small changes. If it is implementation, if anything is already implemented coding only, they will copy and paste it and they will modify as per the requirement. Like that in SAP also, there are so many programs are developed with SAP that your work is, okay, which like how exactly your screen should be look like, and how to develop the screen. If you know that already, if it is some program is already developed in SAP, just copy that program and use it your requirement. That's it. Okay, but to copy that one, you need some knowledge. That knowledge only you are learning with this one. How to do that? How to write our own coding? Okay, without seeing coding first. Then after that, once if you write it without seeing code, and you can write your own, then it is easy to, okay, work with the SAP ABAP. Okay, SAP ABAP. Okay. Next. Okay, next. Functional people. Okay, even functional people also, even 3 plus 4 plus student employees are migrating to technicality because of integration purpose. Nowadays, most of the companies they are asking some technical related knowledge. That's what they are moving to, even technical side also. They are learning, which they are not working 100% until unless, okay, I am techno functional consultant. Okay, until unless if it is technical knowledge, if you don't have directly, you cannot work with it. Okay, technical coding. That's what if you start your career, then you can work with the technicality full 3 years, 4 years, or 5 years. You can work with the technical way. Then you can migrate to either functional, either HCM, either material management, either any database is easy to understand. Because technical people can integrate, can speak with the many functional consultant. Okay, many functional consultant okay, we have to gather the information from we have to gather the information from SD, we have to gather the information for FICO, we have to gather the information for PP, we have to gather in PC, HR. Okay, all people we required technical people. Why? Because these people, people will give the requirement, SD people will give the requirement, FICO people will give the requirement to the technical people only. Technical means if they are giving any report to technical people, first you have to understand what are the tables in what is the flow. Okay, these all the knowledge we require. Okay, that's knowledge you are learning here. Okay, what is table, what is purchase order table, what is vendor table, what is customer table. This all I am going to cover in SAP technical side. Okay, SAP technical. Okay, as a developer, if you learn here technical, you can code for this type of modules, any module in SAP. Okay, any module in SAP. Okay, but if you learn with the functionality, means you will be bound with only, okay, HCM. If you learn with HCM, only HCM and HR module only you can work. Okay, what is happening in what is happening in SD, what is happening in other modules, you cannot understand. But little bit FI integration you can do in HCM. That is we can call FI integration. Okay, HCM is one module. We can call human capital management, or HR is the name, old name, human resources. Okay, and finance is nothing but a, okay, finance and controlling. This module name is like that. We have so many modules are there. Okay, material management, sales and distribution. These are all functionality modules. I am writing here clearly. I am not describing. If you want, I will give you names. HCM is human capital management or human resources. FICO means finance and controlling. Means material management. SD means sales and distribution. Next, PP, production planning. PM, plant maintenance. PP means production planning. PM means plant maintenance. PC, plant control. Plant control. Quality management. Quality management. EHS, Environmental Health Sciences, EHS. Very less in India. Even one or two consultants also not there, I think. In India, EHS. Okay, in US they are using EHS application. Environmental Health Science. Environmental Health Science. If we go on next, quality management production. Next, project systems, PS. Project systems. The project systems. These all are under one ERP product. Okay, one ERP. That is only we are calling under ECC only. It will work. All this under ECC only. But there are separate modules are there. Okay, databases once again. Okay, SAP databases. This is one database. Under one database, all modules will work. This is separate databases are there, like customer relationship management is one database. Sales relationship management is one database. Supply chain management is one database. Business warehousing is one database. BW on HANA another database. BW on HANA. Next, business objects is one database. Under business objects itself, we have 14 plus modules are there. One separate modules. Okay. This is we can call reporting tools. Okay, reporting tools. Reporting tools. Okay, reporting tools. This is reporting tools, or we can call analytical tools. Okay, analytical tools. Next, business objects. Next, business planning and consolidation. BPC. Business planning and consolidation. Business planning and simulation. Okay, BPS. Integrated planning. Okay, integrated planning. This is also another database. Okay, integrated. Oil and gas. Oil and gas. This is mainly for Arab Emirate countries. They are using oil and gas related software. UAE countries. Okay, UAE countries. Okay, like next, S4 HANA applications. S4 HANA applications. S4 HANA applications. Under S4, okay, HANA applications itself, there are so many module names we have, like MM, okay, SD, PP, PM, PM, okay, FICO. Once again, separate, okay, separate. Whatever I have written here, all are under S4 HANA also, they are implementing. Okay, S4. They are implementing. These, excuse me, these all are databases, separate databases. Means we have to take separate license from okay, SAP. Okay, only one license if you take it is more than enough. ECC if you take it, all modules will work. But separate data, excuse me, separate database means CRM is separate server. Okay, who are using like Airtel, okay, Vodafone, customer care related employees. Okay, CRM, customer relationship management. These type of database they can use it. Sales relationship management, supply chain management. Okay, means this is only for logistic related modules they can use it. This is also Tata Motors, Reliance. Okay, those big MNC companies they are using this particular. For BW and BW on HANA and BO tools are analytical tools, reporting tools we can call it. Okay, reporting tools. And BVPC and BPS, these two are for FI people, they need some reporting tools. This is also reporting analyzation tools only. These 5 tools are analyzation purpose. Okay, this is IP is nothing but integrated planning, future planning. Okay, any like what is the sales today? Okay, what is the sales for after 5 years? What is the sales for after 10 years? IP, integrated planning. Okay, integrated planning. Okay, this is a separate module. Only for this consultant can go for, only for BW. Okay, BW consultant can go for IP, integrated planning. Oil and gas in India is very less consultants are there. Okay, all are in UAE countries only they are using. Like that S4 HANA applications, like that there are so many databases. Here only I have written here more than here 3, 4, 5, 10, yeah, around 11 modules under ECC, almost 10 databases I have written here. Okay, here around almost 10, 30 plus modules I have written here. Under that modules we have sub modules are there. That is main. Sub modules means in SAP ABAP itself we have the different types of programs are there. In SAP ABAP we have different types of programs. Those are all ABAP dictionary one concept. ABAP reporting is one concept. ABAP okay BDC is one concept. ABAP smart form is one concept. ABAP okay, like that there are different concepts are designed by SAP. Those all okay you will see in next session ABAP related. Yeah, this is about the just a technical and functional. Some modules I told you techno-functional. Techno-functional means very simple. Okay, if you have very good experience in ABAP, then it is easy to understand any functionality, either HR functionality, either MM functionality, either SD functionality. Means you have to understand, means you have to design those particular okay issues under HR related. ABAP plus HR is technical model. Okay, plus ABAP with HANA integration is okay technical related modules. Okay, ABAP with CRM. Okay, I don't have the CRM related, but HANA integration also have. Okay, CRM related knowledge. Okay, ABAP with BO knowledge. Okay, these are all some techno-functional modules we can call. Techno-functional. Okay. Now, these are all the models. Under that, now, okay, what is ABAP? What are the modules are there in ABAP? This class, okay, tomorrow class, I will start. Tomorrow means before going to the ABAP related knowledge, tomorrow I will discuss about SAP related what is menu bar, what is command field. Okay, tomorrow I am introducing SAP screen and logon details. Okay, what is database table? These concepts I will start. Later I will start the what are the scenarios under ABAP. I am going to discuss those points. I will give you. Okay, I will give you. Yes, I think Satish, you installed this server? Downloaded,
No,
I think.
no, sir.
Ah,
Downloaded. Today I will be installing it.
okay. Praveen also, I think. Praveen. Okay. Then you will just ready with your server. No, even if it is not possible today, no problem. By tomorrow at least, because tomorrow we are going to see the table related information and front end related information and user related. What is user and password? Which user and password? How to reset it? Those all options I will explain tomorrow class. Our front end related information and what is like new sessions, like shortcut keywords. What is back button? What is cancel button? What is log off button? Almost all around 20 keywords I will give you. Okay, back okay shortcut keywords, everything tomorrow class I will explain. Okay, like front end related. Okay, front end means this is the okay this particular concept. Let me log in. Okay, this one, what is menu? This is menu bar, this is command field, this is okay like standard toolbar. What is the use of standard toolbar? What is the use of title? This is SAP Easy Access is title bar. What is the use of this one? Okay, what is GUI? What is message here? If I enter any wrong keyword, here you will get message, one message. What is message bar? This all, and how to log off this one, how to click back button. Okay, how to click back button. Okay, how to like this all stand like very basic like information I am going to introduce today, because anyhow basic is nothing but anyhow all are new only. That's why I'm giving those particular points. Each and every point I will give cancel button, exit buttons, shortcut keywords directly. Means if you want to close directly application slash and ex. Okay, this type of all shortcut keywords tomorrow I am going to introduce our okay for front end. Then by next class onwards technically we can start it, but by tomorrow or still if it is not possible for installation, by day after tomorrow you just complete it in your laptop. Okay, Monday onwards compulsory technically we will start the coding. Okay, coding means okay creation of tables first. Okay, no coding, procedure. Okay, procedure how to create the table. Okay, coding will start by next 10 days only. Okay, before this 10 days we will work out data dictionary related concepts. Data dictionary means tables, joins, views, structures, these all concepts. After completion of basics, data dictionary related concepts, then we will start the coding related. But for coding, you have to understand these names, like what is primary key, what is foreign key. Okay, if you understand this primary key, foreign key, then we will write the same coding related in reports. Okay, reports. Okay, Praveen, is it okay now? Okay, today I'll stop it, and
Yeah.
okay, yeah, tomorrow I'll start the basic command related shortcut keywords and SAP front end information. Everything I'll start. Okay, everything I'll start. Okay, Amit, is okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Banu,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Okay, I'll stop it today. Okay, I'll stop it. Tomorrow same time I will connect it.